Hey guys, welcome back. And today we have another quarantine project, the pull-up muscle-up bar. Let's get into it. The kids needed something to practice pull-up muscle-ups, so we threw this together out of some 2x4s. Basically, probably spent, $25–30 on it. Where we did spend a little extra money is this chain link fence post. I think that's a 6-foot post, maybe 5 foot. Can't tell by the sticker. But we did spring for a couple of those clamps too, to keep it from sliding through the middle. There's one of those on each side. I think those were less than $1 each. But yeah, real easy, quick project. Keep the kids outside and busy doing some working out. They do chin-ups on it, 100 every day with the resistance bands. So that way they can get extra pull-ups in rather than, just doing the 10 that they can do or whatever. I also have one that's practicing on muscle-ups. So let's watch a little bit of that footage. Well, that's all we have for today, guys. I've watched a ton of videos on how to make these, and I think this one turned out okay. It's short enough to the ground that they can get up without, if they fall, they're not going to hurt themselves. So I think it worked out really well. I did add these side supports right here just to keep it from racking back and forth, but it really doesn't too much, just for a little extra safety. But it seems to work out. Another easy project, get people outside and get things working. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.